Hello everyone. Welcome back to our complete English speaking course. And this is lesson 28, one of the most useful and exciting lessons yet. Today, we're going to learn English for travel and tourism, how to book a hotel. Check in at the airport or hotel, and ask for help abroad when you're traveling to another country. If you've ever dreamed of traveling internationally but felt nervous about speaking English at the airport, hotel, or tourist spot, don't worry. After this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say in every situation. So grab your notebook, listen carefully, and repeat after me to practice. Let's make you travel ready in English. Section 1. Booking flights and hotels. Let's begin with booking, one of the first steps when you travel. Booking a flight. Here are some useful questions and phrases. I'd like to book a flight to London, please. Is there a flight available on Monday morning? How much is a return ticket? Can I have a window seat, please? What's the baggage allowance? Example, dialogue. Traveler. Hello, I'd like to book a flight to Dubai next Friday. Agent. Sure. One way or return. Traveler. Return, please. Agent. Morning or evening flight. Traveler. Morning. Agent. Okay. We have a flight at 9 a.m. Would you like to book that? Traveler. Yes, please. Be booking a hotel room. When booking a hotel, you can say, I had like to book a double room for 2 nights. Do you have any rooms available this weekend? What's the price per night? Does the room include breakfast? Can I pay by card? Example dialogue. Guest. Hello, I had like to book a room for 3 nights, please. Receptionist. Certainly. Single or double room? Guest. Double room, please. Receptionist. With breakfast. Guest. Yes, please. How much is it per night? Receptionist. It's $120, including breakfast. Guest. Perfect. I'll take it. Section 2. Checking in at the hotel. When you arrive at your destination, the first English you'll need is at the hotel reception. Common phrases for checking in. Good evening. I have a reservation under the name, your name. I had like to check in, please. Can I have your passport, please? Could you please fill in this form? Here's your room key card. Example dialogue. Receptionist. Good evening. How can I help you? Guest. Hi. I have a reservation under the name Sarah Wilson. Receptionist. Let me check. Yes, Ms. Wilson. 1 double room for 3 nights. Guest. That's correct. Receptionist. May I see your passport, please? Guest. Of course. Here it is. Receptionist. Thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor. Here's your key card. Guest. Thank you very much. Asking for hotel services. Could I get some extra towels, please? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? What time is breakfast served? Can I get a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Example. Guest. Excuse me. Could I get some extra towels? Receptionist. Of course, we'll send them to your room right away. Section 3. At the airport, traveling by air means you will need to understand airport English, check-in, security, boarding, and customs. A. Checking in at the airport. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to Paris. Here's my passport and ticket. Could I have a window seat, please? How many bags can I check in? Do I need to remove my laptop at security? Example dialogue. Agent. Good morning. Where are you flying today? Passenger. To Paris, please. Agent. May I see your passport and ticket? Passenger. Sure, here you go. Agent. Do you have any luggage to check in? Passenger. Yes, just 1 suitcase. Agent. Great. Here's your boarding pass. Gate 12. Passenger. Thank you. Be boarding the flight. Which gate is for flight 328 to Rome? What time does boarding start? Can I board now? Where is seat 1 for a... Hey, excuse me. Could you help me with my luggage? Example. Flight attendant. Welcome aboard. Can I help you with your bag? Passenger. Yes, please. Thank you so much. See at Immigration Customs. Good morning. Here's my passport. I'm here for tourism. I'll be staying for 2 weeks. I'm not carrying any restricted items. Example. Officer. What's the purpose of your visit? Traveler. Tourism. Officer. How long will you stay? Traveler, 2 weeks. Officer, enjoy your stay. Traveler, thank you. Section 4. Asking for help or directions abroad when you travel. Sometimes you need to ask for help, directions, transport, or information. A. Asking for directions. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station? Is it far from here? How long does it take to walk there? Is there a bus to the airport? Could you show me on the map? Example dialogue. Traveler, excuse me, how can I get to the museum? Local, go straight ahead, then turn right at the second traffic light. Traveler, thank you so much. Local, you're welcome. Be asking for help in difficult situations. Excuse me, I lost my bag. Could you help me, please? I think I left my wallet in the taxi. Can I use your phone to call the police? I'm not feeling well. Is there a hospital nearby? Can you help me find my hotel? Example dialogue. Traveler, excuse me, I think I lost my passport. What should I do? Police officer, don't worry. You need to go to your embassy and report it. I can give you the address. Traveler, thank you for your help. Section 5. Travel vocabulary practice word, phrase, meaning, example, reservation. Meaning, booking, example, I made a reservation online. Check-in, meaning, registering at hotel, airport. Example, I checked in 2 hours before my flight. Gate, meaning, boarding area at airport. Example, our gate number is 14. Luggage, meaning, bags and suitcases. Example, your luggage will arrive on belt 3. Customs, meaning, security area after arrival. Example, they checked my bag at customs. Itinerary, meaning, travel plan. Example, do you have your itinerary printed? Souvenir, meaning, gift from a trip. Example, I bought souvenirs for my friends. Delayed, meaning, late flight. Example, the flight is delayed by 30 minutes. Section 6. Real-life practice conversation. Let's put it all together. At the hotel. Guest, hello. I have a reservation under the name Robert Green. Receptionist, welcome, Mr. Green. May I have your passport, please? Guest, sure. Here you go. Receptionist, thank you. Your room is ready. At the airport. Agent, passport, please. Are you checking in any luggage? Traveler, yes. 1 suitcase. Agent, perfect. Here's your boarding pass. Asking for help abroad. Traveler, excuse me, can you tell me where the train station is? Local, sure. It's about 10 minutes from here. Straight ahead. Practice each role aloud to train your travel English confidence. Section 7. Recap and what's next today. You learned how to book flights and hotel rooms, check in confidently at hotels and airports, ask for directions and help abroad, use common travel vocabulary naturally. Now you can travel anywhere in the world and communicate clearly in English. Next lesson 29. We'll continue with English for travel, sightseeing, shopping, and local conversations, how to talk to locals, buy souvenirs, and enjoy your trip in English. Thank you for watching lesson 28 of our English speaking course. Keep practicing, and remember, every lesson brings you one step closer to fluency. See you in the next class, and safe travels.